guys, Soccer Films here, bringing you guys another video. Well, technically considered a vlog, but yeah, today we're going to be unboxing fidget spinners. Okay, so one of them's camel blue, one of them's another color, that gold and black, like a zebra. So let's check out this one first. Okay guys, so I'm about to unbox this one. Okay, let's check this one out. Okay guys, there's no like middle part. Let's check out the bearing. This is gonna be a little hard, but because when they're new, probably at the end of the video I'll show you guys that. But here's this fidget spinner, and here's the other fidget spinner. Comment down below which one's better. Which one's better? Behind the scenes of my thumbnails. Okay guys, so these are the two fidget spinners. There's a clock right there. I'll tell you guys the truth, but to see how long the video is. But comment down below, as I already probably said, to which one you think is better. This one, as you could see, you could barely hear it, compared to this one, you could hear it. But it came in these packs, fidget spinner, like they barely came today, so it's an unboxing video. Yeah, and you guys could finally see who's behind Soccer Films. Like, I'm not the only one who helps me edit. My friend's gonna help me edit, probably to put the background music. And so yeah guys, so these are the two fidget spinners that we unboxed. Let me take out the other one. Two fidget spinners. Let's see which one spins faster. This one's gonna be right here. You guys won't be able to see it. You guys would probably be able to see it, but okay. Starting now. I didn't give it a hard enough spin, but I'm not gonna keep you guys from watching the video. So let's go. Let's try to do a couple tricks here. So the finger transfer, hand transfer, guys. This is hard, guys. Some of you guys might think it's not hard, but for me it is. I could do it, but like off camera, because I do it lower, but I need to make it like the size of it. Since we can't do it without them to see this one. Guys, I did it. Okay guys, so let's take the camera over here real quick. I'll see you on the next clip. I'll see you on the next clip. And I took off these bearings. As you could see, I took them off. Let me put them so I don't lose them, because last time I lost one. Well, I lost one right now on the end of the clip. Okay guys, so this is the bearing right here. I don't want to take it out because it's brand new and it's hard to take out. But this is how it looks on this side, and this is how it looks on this side. Sorry for the lighting, guys. It's dark outside and I'm doing it outside because I don't want to do it inside, so I'm just gonna put on these. I'm gonna put on the pads back on, and let's see how the bearing looks on the blue one. The blue ones are a little bit easier to take off. Like, I still have them on, but okay, the last one's harder. Okay, but as you could see, look at this side of the bearing. And yeah, so that's the bearing, and then we put this one back on. And I'll see you guys when I put you guys in time lapse. I'll see you. Okay, I'll see you guys. 1, 2, 3. So hopefully you liked the fidget spinner video that I made. And I already told you guys sorry about the lighting. Maybe next time I can make it lighter because I just came from soccer practice. But yeah, that concludes the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.